Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to message yourself on Instagram, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and ensure the app is updated to the latest version. Step 2. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Chats icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open your direct messages. Step 3. Inside the direct messages menu, locate the pencil icon at the top right corner. This icon is used to start a new chat. Go ahead and tap on it. Step 4. In the search bar that appears, type your own username to find your account. Once you see your profile in the search results, tap on it to select it. Step 5. Now, a chat window with yourself will open. Type any message such as hi or a test message into the text box. After typing, tap the send icon. You'll now see the message sent in the chat. Finally, return to the main chat screen and you'll find your conversation with yourself listed there. That's it. You've successfully messaged yourself on Instagram. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.